Alphanumeric engineering manager, Komatsu, Germany. We're in front of the HX45 45-ton truck, former HX Fahrzeuge, now Komatsu. Komatsu acquired HX Fahrzeuge 2 months ago. Now we're forming part of the big Komatsu family. This dump truck is the biggest dump truck we are featuring now. It has been developed over the last couple of years with the main focus of safety of the operator and the colleagues working in the mine in the vicinity of the operator. It features a large cabin, safety ROPS FOPS tested cabin, including a trainer seat behind the operator, enabling the trainer to monitor the operation of the machine, monitoring the operator itself while it's driving the machine, and giving useful hints and developing the driver. The main feature next to the safety is the oscillating articulation. In comparison to our competitors, which have an oscillating axle, the reaction of the customer, what we had coming, was very positive. They see now former HX part of a bigger family with Komatsu, bigger background, bigger support structure behind it, and they really like the safety features of that machine, I just explained, with the oscillating articulation and the features in the driver's cabin.